Is Zcal worth it? Appsumo deal breakdown and full review. In this video, we're going to find out if Zcal is actually worth it. I'm going to break down this app and we're going to review it. So to get started, Zcal is an alternative to Calendly, but it focuses more on a clean, personal scheduling experience. What stands out? First, custom branding. You can fully personalize your booking page, including uploading your own banner and logo. Next, Zcal lets you add video intros to your booking pages. It's a small feature, but makes scheduling feel way more human. Now let's talk about AppSumo. For a one-time payment, you unlock unlimited booking links, custom domains, team scheduling, and integrations with Google and Outlook. Normally, those features are locked behind this subscription on other platforms. The UI is also dead simple. Compared to use tools like Calendly or Tardical, Zcal feels more modern and social. But here's the catch, it's still new. So if you need deep integrations or advanced automations, Zcal might feel limited. But for solo creators, coaches, or small teams who want something simple, visual, and lifetime access based, Zcal is honestly a steal. And that's my honest breakdown of Zcal on AppSumo.